Hello friends, welcome to the Java session. This is Pavitra. Today I'm going to explain you about how the while loop works in Java. Okay, so as we all know, the first I will explain you the Java and while loop syntax. Okay, so what is the basic syntax of the while loop, and then we will see the example for an while loop. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of an while loop. So first always we have to give the initialization, then we have to give the condition. So if the condition is true, the while loop always first checks the condition. So if the condition is true, it will execute the statements, and then we need to have either increment or decrement. It is very important, so that this will decide whether the condition is going to be true or false, and it will ensure that somewhere the condition has to false. Okay, so that the control comes out of the loop. Otherwise, if the condition never fails, then it will go to the infinite loop. So we don't want the control should go to the infinite loop. Infinite means the loop will never terminate. So that is because we have written the either wrong condition, or we have not incremented the variable, or we have not decremented the variable, or we have not done the proper value to the proper value initialization to the variables. Okay, so we will see one example now. So you all can see here, here I'm trying to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so how do you print 1 to 10 numbers? By using the while loop. So as you have seen in the syntax, the first always we have to give the initialization. So I'm giving the initialization here. The second is condition. So inside the while loop, I'm giving the condition. So what is my condition? As I want to print 1 to 10 numbers continuously in sequence, so I am keep incrementing the num variable here, and here I'm writing a condition num is less than or equal to 10. So what is the num value I have taken here? 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 10. If the condition is true, it will come here and it will print this particular SOP statement, that is system.out.println. So it will print the value in the console. And after printing the num, after printing 1, so here right now it is printing 1, and then it will go for the incrementation. The num value will become 2, and here it will come back and checks the 2 is less than or equal to 10 or not. So if the 2 is not less than or equal to 10, then condition will fails. But right now the 2 is less than or equal to 10, condition is true. And again it will come to the line number 13, and there is a SOP statement, right? System.out.println. So it will print the 2. Okay. And then it will go for the incrementation. Okay. So here it will going to print it will be 3, and then 3 is less than or equal to 10, condition is true, and again here it will come and prints the 3, and then it goes to the num plus plus, and here the value will become 4, and again it will check the condition 4 is less than or equal to 10. Okay, if the condition is true, again it will print the 4. Okay, so if this will keep continuing till the num value is becoming, okay, so till the null value is becoming 10. Okay, so once it is become tens, then it will go and checks the condition here. The 10 is less than or equal to 10. Okay, the condition is true, and it will print here, and then num plus plus, it will become 11, and this 11 will go and check the condition. So 11 is less than or equal to 10, the condition fails. As you know, the condition fails, the control comes out of the while loop, right? So it is the end of your program. So in this program we are printing 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so let us check once, is it happening or not. We will run as Java application. So you all can see the output is 1 to 10. So we got the output. So you can all, the way in our for loop also, the initialization will execute only once. Here also the initialization is executing only once. And I'm checking the condition n number of times till it is condition is becoming false. But very important statement here is the line number 15. If you don't give the line number 15, then this condition will never fail. Okay, because the value will never increment. So always make sure while writing the while loop or any loop, always there has to be initialization, condition, and then incrementation or decrementation, so that this condition values will always vary and some point it will terminate. Okay. So if it is not getting terminated, that means, as I told you just now, it goes to the infinite loop. Okay, so if it is goes to infinite loop, we have the problem, like the program will never, our application will never terminate, right? So that's about it. Now we have one more example here, the how the while loop works. There will be always one initialization or multiple initialization, but here you can see I have taken another program for checking, printing the reverse of the given number. So let us say I'm taken the number as 1, 2, 3. I have taken a hard-coded value. If this value, if you want, we can take the value from the user by using the scanner. So int number is equal to 123. I'm declaring the variable, I'm initializing the value 123. And then reverse is equal to 0. So I have the few variables here. So how these variables works here, we will see. The first variable is, the number. I'm declaring the variable number here. Okay. And I do have another variable that is reverse. So the initially the reverse value is 0. The number value is initially I have taken 123, and reverse value I am taken in the beginning 0. Then I am going, this is about initialization. Next I need to check the condition. So while number is not equal to 0. Okay, so here in the while loop I am checking the condition, number is not equal to 0. So right now what is our number value? 123, right? So 123 is not equal to 0. The condition is true, right? So since condition is true, it comes to the int reminder is equal to number modulus 10. So we are declaring one local variable here, that is number. So I have another variable, okay, that variable name is reminder. So I'm just labeling here a reminder. Okay, so beginning first we are going to find out the remainder of an given number, that is 123 modulus 10, means if you divide 123 by 10, you know what is the remainder we will get it, that is 3. Right, so I got the 3 here and I have stored into that variable. Then reverse equal to reverse, okay, into 10 plus remainder. So you all know here what is the reverse value. Okay, so in this variable you can see the reverse value is 0. So 0 is equal to 0 into 10 and plus remainder. What is the remainder we got here, guys? That is 3, right? So that we have to add it here as 3. And now the reverse contains 3. So initially the reverse has 0. Now this 0 is removed and the value is 3 is stored. Okay. And next number is equal to number divided by 10. So what is the number actually here? What is the number? What is the value is stored here? 123, right? So 123 divided by 10. So how much we will get? We will get the 12, right? 10 12s are 120. So the remainder will be 3, but now I'm not taking remainder, I'm taking the dividend. That is, okay, 12. And now again it will go back to the while loop and it will check. Okay, so number is not equal to 0. Now what is the updated number I got it? The updated number I got is this 123 is replaced by 12. Okay, so here the number is equal to number divided by 10. Earlier when we did it, okay, so it has become 12 here. The number is 12. So again you are going back to here where to the while loop, and the number is not equal to 0. What is the number right now? What is there in the number variable? Please check here. The 12 is there. So you can see in this picture we have 12. So the 12 is not equal to 0. Condition is true. And now it will come to the int remainder is equal to number modulus 10. So earlier the remainder was 3. Now what will be the remainder? So here number, what is the number now? 12. 12 modulus 10. So the remainder will be 2. Okay. So this 3 is replaced by 2. Okay. So earlier there was 3. Now it is 2. So next what I am doing, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. So what is the reverse for us now? That is 3, right? Earlier. So now what we will get? So here we will write 3 is equal to 3 into 10 plus remainder. So right now what is the remainder for us? 2, right? So we are taking 2. And now what is the result? 3 into 10. That is 30. 30 plus 2. Okay, so we got 32. Right? And next number is equal to number divided by 10. So what is the value earlier? 12 was the value. And now it is 12 divided by 10. Okay, 12 divided by 10. How much we will get? 1. Alright. 12 divided by 10, we will get it 1. And then again it will go, control will go back to the number is not equal to 0. Now what is the number? Initially it was 12, now it is 1. Okay, so now I'm checking 1 is not equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. 1 is not equal to 0. Okay, so since condition is true, it comes to the int remainder equal to number modulus 10. Okay, so what is the number value right now? What is the number we got it? 1, right? So 1 modulus 10. 1 modulus 10. So the remainder we are going to get it as 1. Okay. And here now the next step is 1 is reverse. We have to find out the reverse now. So earlier the reverse was having the 32. Okay, so here you can see the earlier there was 32. Okay, so now 32 equal to, so let me write down here, 32 is equal to 32 into 10 and plus remainder, right? And what is the remainder earlier? We got the right now we got the remainder is 1, right? So we are adding 1. So the answer is, okay, 321. So now I am going to number is equal to number divided by 10. Now what is the number we have? 1. 1 is divided by 10. Okay, so we are going to get it as 0. And here we'll check the 0. 0 is not equal to 0. Condition fails. And since this condition fails, it comes out of the loop. Okay, so the answer is finally this number, finally this variable reverse contains 321, the result. Okay, so that is the reverse number of a given number. So like this, if you keep tracing this, okay, we will come to know the logic. But we need to remember like where we have done an initialization, and here inside the while I'm checking the condition. Why I'm checking this condition? Because I need to divide the number till we are we are not getting 0. So once we get the number as 0, then we should stop it. So because of that, I'm written this particular condition. And once everything is done, once you have a result into the variable, now we can print that result. So here reverse. So now let us run this once. So we can see here the reverse of the given number is 321. Okay. So I hope this is, from this example, you understood how the while loop works. Okay. So the first always initialization, condition, and then statements, and increment or decrement the number which we are using it in the loop. Okay. So that this loop will terminate at one point of time. That's all about this program. Thank you.